Yo, Padres, shout out from the math department. This is how we see math in our daily lives.
Hey Padres, it's Miss Dixon here. I was getting up this morning to go for a run and I started to wonder how many different workout outfits could I put together. So I started to look. I have my tank tops here, I have my leggings here, and I have my shoes. So if I have, and I counted them, I have 42 tank tops. I know, that's excessive. And I have 15 pairs of leggings, and clearly I have 5 pairs of shoes. So the question that I need to know is how many different workout outfits could I have put on this morning? Please help me. Have a great day.
Padres. Doing a little video on where I'm seeing mathematics in my everyday life, and one of the most common places I see it is in video games. Take a look. All right, we're playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare. One of the most common places I see it in this game is in projectile motion of this crossbow here. All right, and what this crossbow does is it takes a bolt, something kind of like an arrow, and it sends it through space, both in a vertical direction and a horizontal direction, from like where I'm standing to over there. And so this game isn't just randomly deciding where a bolt should end up. It's having to calculate this based on a trigonometric function. All right, say we started with a set velocity like this crossbow. What this game is doing is it's using the angle of elevation when we're firing it to determine the vertical component of velocity and compare that with the horizontal component of velocity, determining where it ends up. The game uses a sine function to determine vertical velocity and a cosine function to determine horizontal velocity. All right, guys, I miss you guys so much. I hope to see you guys soon. I can't wait for it to be next school year already. In the meantime, stay safe, be healthy. Bye-bye.
Hey Padres, it's Katie Kelly here, your friendly ed tech trainer. And I'm trying to stay active during the closure, so I've been doing some laps in my hallway. My hallway is about 30 feet long. It takes about 13 steps for me to get to one end to the other. And I want to hit 10,000 steps or 5 miles a day. So if someone could let me know how many laps I need to take, that would be great. I have a feeling I'll be walking for a while though. So let me know.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Popney. Math in real life during quarantine. This morning, I was lucky enough to have waffles for breakfast. But Luna also had waffles for breakfast. So what I have to do is I'm going to go on a run with Luna. I know that the average waffle has 220 calories, and I know if I run at an 8-minute pace, I burn about 100 calories per mile. So set up an equation and I solved it, and I realized that Miss Luna and I have to go on about a 2.5 mile run to burn off all of those calories that Luna ate and then some. So we're gonna go for our little run. Everybody stay safe, have fun, take care.
Hi Padres, welcome to our backyard. Dr. Greeno here, and this is my daughter. What's your name? Kenzie. And she wanted us to start a garden for one of our projects. So luckily we already had an L-shaped garden built for us, but it had no soil in it. So we had to take the dimensions, we had to do all the measurements, and we found that we needed about 39 cubic feet of soil. So we went online and we found that we could buy a bag, and each bag held 3 cubic feet. So how many bags of soil did we have to buy to be able to fill Kenzie's garden before she got to put her plants in it?
So math in the real world. Here you are in Doc A's virtual classroom. Well, I'm going to share with you how math in the real world affects all of us with a little equation. So I have 3 children. Each one of them have a minimum of 6 teachers. Each one of those 6 teachers sends out 5 emails to me a day. Well, you figure out how many emails I go through in a 24-hour period. See you guys soon, hopefully in the virtual classroom where we can do some lessons and have some fun. Take care.
Good morning to all you cool cats and kittens out there. My name is Mr. Phelps. Today I'm just talking a little bit about math in your everyday life. And I know we get into more complicated math in high school, but knowing the best price for Xbox Live for a year, for instance, right? $10 a month, $25 for 3 months, or $60 for a year. Now, if you looking at doing the math, that's $120 for the monthly. That's $100 for the 3 months, and then $60 for the yearly. So you can kind of see how that breaks down as saving you money in the long run. Hopefully everybody is doing good, staying safe, and hopefully we'll see each other soon. Later.
Hey Padres, this is Mr. Esch, math teacher focusing on geometry, honors algebra 2, and statistics. And these are my sons. Can you say hi?
Hi.
And your name?
Enzo.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
And your name?
Oliver and Enzo.
Oliver and Enzo. And we are here to talk about some real life mathematics that we ran into this past Easter. So this past Easter, I was working on these carrot cake blondie squares, where the recipe that I found and was going to use called for a 9x9 pan, but all of my other treats were using a 9x13 inch pan. So you can see here on my graphing paper that I took my carrot cake recipe and I needed to convert it to the larger size pan. Well, the real mathematics question I have for you is, how do you take a recipe for a 9x9 pan and scale it up to a 9x13 pan? What conversion factor are you going to use, and what value are you then going to multiply all of your ingredients by to get the right quantities? So I hope everyone is doing well, staying at home. I hope you found a hobby or found a way to stay entertained. I've got my kids, my baking, and all of the work that I'm doing from my computer. And I just really hope that you're all staying safe, and I want you to know that I miss you very.
Hey Padres, Mrs. Ridgway from Math Lab, coming to you from my backyard. I need help. I have a big problem with gardening. I can't stop. I won't stop. And I need your help to settle an argument with my husband about my budget. I started off this project so well because I had this pallet already for free from a neighbor. And I thought I could totally make soil pockets in the back of that and plant cute, adorable succulents and make my heart so happy. Well, the fabric was $12.98, and then the soil that I had to fill the pockets with was $5.97, and then of course I had to buy all of my cute succulents. I have 37 though. I keep getting them because they're tiny and I had to fill the space. So it turns out I already had 9 clippings at home. Score, savings again, right? So I only needed to buy 22-inch succulents. Those were $5.50 each. And then I had to go back and get 4-inch succulents at $6.50 each, and I bought 8 of those. With 5.27% sales tax, how much over this wildly low $5 budget I was given did I go? And how much money should I have for my next project?
Hey Padres, Driving Hawk here. Hope you're all doing well. Just kind of been hanging out at the house, hitting baseballs with my son and fishing with everybody. So hope everybody's doing good. Seniors, hang in there. You're almost done. Enjoy what you got and be good, be safe.
Hey guys, Mr. Rose here, Algebra 1. I hope all of you are staying healthy and doing your part during this pandemic. Remember to stay focused in all of your classes, not just your math class. So I thought I would share how I use math in my everyday life, talking about something like my daily run. I'm constantly trying to figure out what pace I need to run at in order to make my time. So, for example, if I'm running the mile at an 8-minute pace, will I be able to finish the 5K under the 25-minute mark? So, math is in many other daily activities, not just physical exercise. So let's make sure and keep our minds sharp during this quarantine. Hope to see you guys soon.